Hello, everyone. I am going to share with you what we're going to do for our Saturday Shenanigans, which will be this coming Saturday, I believe the 11th. I had to kind of count there in my head. This is what we're going to do. I did this a few years ago and entered it in an art show. And I recently was going through some papers and I found the pattern. And I thought, I have to make Saturday's show easy to clean up because my grands are all coming over and we're going to have our Easter. And so I wanted to do something fun and simple. So I think this is what we're going to do. I do have the pattern, and then there's 2 sheets for all the separate little pieces. So you don't have to sit and cut it apart. I'll give you different ways that you can do it, different ideas, suggestions, but of course, as always, do what you want to do. This is just how I did it, and I'm pretty sure I've already got going in my head a different way I want to do it this time. So anyway, this one actually had professionally framed and everything, so I don't have too many of those. I don't love everything enough. And I'm looking at this now and thinking, well, there's still not enough doodles on some of this. So anyway, so what did you need for that? Well, you need the pattern. But you know what? You're always welcome to draw your own face, do your own thing, just kind of follow along, play with this while we're playing. There's no right or wrong. I just found, like I said, I found something that is easy to put away. You'll need painty papers. This is all the painty papers that I've done on sticker sheets. So there's a lot of stickers and stuff like that in here. And then this is a bunch of just different painty papers and doodle papers. And then I got the little bits. And they're not all little, but they're the littler bits. I can get littler. I have another tray here with a bit of bigger ones. Yeah, I got a lot of scraps. And I think I really need to use some of these scraps up. Now in this one, there's a lot of magazine images too. And there's nothing wrong with using that. If you don't have the painty papers, use plain papers, solid color papers. Doodle on them, draw on them, stamp on them, glue other bits on them. You know, just make them you. There's so many things that you could use. Now I do have even littler bits, and these are usually the ones I keep by the sewing machine when I feel like stitching a bunch of not really little clusters, because what I stitch I use on other projects, and I have a bunch of those already done. I say they're not really clusters, and that's because they're in a strip, and I just stack the strips up and sew several pieces together and leave all the strings on them. And I've used them in many, many projects as I go along. And sometimes I just keep going and make great big strips. And sometimes I take those big strips and make them little book pages. So, you know, any kind of scraps. Even, I'm sure a lot of us have a box like this. This is my needs more stuff box. These are painty papers. I was just testing out some pens and stuff, and I had some gel pens that weren't working, and I tore them apart and put the ink all over these pages. I don't love them, but bits of them will be good. And then these were some background papers. This is again the gel pens. This was reverse painting, and I didn't like it, so I sprayed it with alcohol, sanded it. I actually like it better like this, but it could use some more marks. And that's what this box is. It's my needs more stuff. You know, it's like all these backgrounds. There's even chunks of solid, you know, where I've just painted solid pieces. This is a blueprint, a map of sorts. So this is my needs more box, and I thought, you know, this might work. I can either use parts of them or make some marks on them. So any kind of painting papers will work. What else do you need? You need scissors. You will need whatever is your favorite scissors. I tend to grab my bigger scissors for bigger pieces and my little scissors for littler pieces. Go figure. You will need glue, whatever glue you like. Glue stick, wet glue, whatever works best for you. And probably you're going to want some mark making pencils, pens, paint, acrylic markers, alcohol markers, watercolor markers, whatever it is you have. Don't, get anything special, because all we're going to do is just make marks on papers when they need it. Like I said on my picture here, I really feel like that nose needs more marks on it. I am not undoing this. I paid way too much to have it framed. But, we may figure out as we're making parts that we need to make more marks. I don't, whoever said less is more, I don't know. So this is the pattern. Mine, I put it in, I scanned it in, and it didn't proportion correctly the first time, so I had to do it again. And when I printed it to make sure, I had some graph paper in there upside down. So mine's on graph paper. It's not going to matter. There's the main pattern, and then these are all the different parts, and you can kind of see, they really do match in size. So, again, do your own face if you want. If you want to just make a base and then just start adding pieces to it, that is just cool. That's what this started to be. And then after I did it, I decided maybe I want to do it again, so I made the patterns. This one piece didn't fit on there, so this is this size. And if you get these and print them and put them up next to each other, you'll find this one is a little bit bigger. I did that because when we get ready to put pieces on it, this one and this one will form the base, and then everything kind of covers, the nose covers the seam, and it just kind of blends in and works real well. So again, this is up on my Ko-fi store. I don't have a price on it. It's there for you to get. I do ask that you use it for your own use. That's part of why I had trouble with the copies not being proportioned, because I tried to put a copyright on it, and yeah, that just kind of messed everything up. So anyway, like I said, our Saturday Shenanigans is Saturday the 11th of April, and it starts at 10 o'clock Mountain Time, and it shouldn't be a long one, but who knows? Who knows what we're going to get into and what we're going to change and what we're going to make along the way. So please, if you feel inclined, come join us, and we'll have a great time cutting up papers and making faces. So we'll see you all Saturday. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.